I'm in the process of trying to diagnose my charging system, and I think the wires on my PTO have been rubbing a little bit, and so I want to take my PTO off, and I'm going to show you how I do that. I've already got the deck off, so I'll put the link for that in the description. Okay, I got the mower jacked up. I wouldn't recommend it that way, but it's about all I got. So, I sprayed this bolt with penetrating oil, and I'm gonna take this gun and try to get it off. Okay, I got it loose. You gotta, if you don't use the impact driver, you gotta somehow keep that from spinning. So I'm gonna try to finish taking it out with my hands, and be careful. There's a washer at the top. You gotta be careful not to lose. Okay, mine had 2 washers on this back side, and then it's got 1 washer here. And gonna flip it over and take a look at the wires there. Okay, as you can see, the wires are frayed there. When I took it off, it had 2 washers here, so I'm going to put those back on, and then this bolt. Okay, it was a little tough, but I got it up in there and put a little anti-seize on the bolt. I'll take the impact wrench and tighten that up. And then I got the wire coming off of it threaded out through there. Be sure and put the PTO bracket on before you start it.